Finally, welcome to Winter Wonderland, Osaka, Japan. Let's ride in. Oh, dito pa lang sa Osaka, nararamdaman na natin ang lamig ng panahon. Finally, let's go here for a vacation. Kanina pala binawalan ako ng guard mag-video. Sobrang higpit talaga ng guard dito. We're going to riding. Ayan si Tito Ro. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Oh, thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
Oo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No problem.
Tayo na lang nandito.
It's the second time.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Ano naman siya?
Daddy,
Hmm.
meron ka bang ano?
No.
Isang libo? Yeah.
Hi. Grabe lamig dito. Winter na naka-aircon pa siya dito, aircon. So that's the parking of the Kansai Airport. So, yes, finally, and we are back to our dream come true place, which is always Japan is always sikat, no? Kasi more of anime eh. So, yun, tomorrow, because we are watching anime sometimes in the Philippines, and we are here again. Okay, I hope you will not call me weird boy.
You're weird boy.
And we will go around, no? I know. Now I'm smiling again with the beautiful blossoms here and winter wonderland. I mean, blossoms is only for spring and autumn.
Winter na ngayon, di ba? Winter ngayon.
Yeah, winter. But it doesn't snow. There's no snow.
Sa others, ano?
Tokyo. Better if it's snowing. Mama, you know, winter na.
Nakagas ka sa lamig.
Look, winter na, tas naka-aircon pa yung kotse.
Ayaw mo.
Hindi, baka magkasipon lalo. Haha.
Hindi magkano ka.